It's very hard. You like doing this at home better, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. But you don't have a home. It's tough luck.
It's okay.
Does it fit in there?
I can try. No!
I don't fit. So you're gonna need a different one.
That's I need a small one.
Yeah,
That's
small
okay.
one.
Just think like this.
There you go.
Yeah.
Is that for you or for me?
For you first.
I need a lot more than that.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot more.
Maybe
A lot more.
Okay, a lot more.
Yeah, I don't want like little pinch like that.
Okay.
Is that how much is that? Is that a big bowl?
Yeah, big bowl.
You sure it's a big bowl? I might as well give me the whole bag.
No, too much. A little bit more.
There you go. That looks, man, I'm already like, my mouth is already starting to water. Cause it's so like
A bit
awesome.
more for you. The mouth.
Yeah. Mom, we need, that's the biggest bowl we got, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, huh?
You can eat
That's
2 bowls.
that's it. That's it.
That's it. You can eat 2 if you want.
Okay, I just want one bowl. I see what you're saying. Man, this is like the best time because it's like 40 degrees out there.
Yeah, it's cold.
So this soup's gonna really hit it.
Yeah, perfect.
Let me see. That's perfect, huh?
Yeah,
Oh man, that soup's been brought for how many days? Like almost a day and a half,
and then
right?
half.
It's oxtail, right?
Oxtail.
Oxtail. Yeah, there you go.
Oxtail.
Wow, look at that. That's just tender.
Yeah.
Wow. I am actually really hungry now. I wasn't that hungry earlier. So, yeah. Will it stop boiling?
Yeah, it's no. It's
Oh.
boiling, but it's not.
Oh, you'll have it
really-
open. It's not
yeah,
soft yet, huh?
Not soft yet. I have to put
Not
steam a
soft.
little
Oh,
bit.
steam a little bit.
Maybe
Okay.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Make the noodle cook.
There you go. So, you know, in van life, it's very hard. You gotta improvise. You don't have all the option of having like 2-3 burner, right?
Yeah.
You gotta make it work.
Uh-huh.
So actually, it's a pretty good idea. I'm glad you
Yep.
thought of that.
Mhm.
So yeah, wow, that is so awesome. Yeah, so again, you could reuse that water again and again and again until it's completely dried out.
Yep.
You don't have a small strain, huh?
No, this is how I live on.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay.
You know why I say it's good enough? Because I'm hungry.
Yeah.
It's so delicious.
Look, it's a lot, Bong.
Really?
Yeah, a lot.
You can make it nice for yourself, but for me, that's how I like it.
Okay. See?
Wow. Oh, look at that.
I put the big one for you, okay?
Yeah, there we go. We should have closed it, let it boil.
Okay. And
Oh
then
man.
one
Look
more.
at that. Oh, that's so big. Oh.
and more.
Woo.
This one I steam already.
That is
Yeah.
cow. I don't know. Oh my gosh.
And the seafood too.
And seafood. Wow.
And then you can add more.
Woo.
More.
My goodness. It is so delicious looking. And we can show you how to make this. We have to just got to do a full video on how to make it. Oh my gosh.
It's okay. My hand clean.
Oh yeah, it's perfect. There you go. You don't have to be too perfect. Just throw it in.
And lime.
Lime.
Yeah.
Lemon.
Lemon.
I don't know what it's called.
Lemon.
Wow.
Perfect. And then you can add more sauce if you want. This
Okay,
one like
I
that.
got it.
Yeah.
My goodness, this is like a picture perfect right there.
There you go.
That's it. Let me take a picture of that. Oh yeah.
Spicy a little bit. Sauce. Oh, this one is brand new done.
That's okay. It's brand new. We
Yeah,
were going to
brand
make it yesterday. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Just a little bit first, okay?
Wow,
And then you
that's
taste
good.
first.
That's good right
Okay.
there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That should be perfect.
Hey, how's it going?
Thanks a lot.
Coach Murphy practically put me on the team. That's not a coincidence.
Absolutely beautiful looking, nice and you can say nice and tan, almost like
19.
wow. I'm surprised it fits in there.
Yeah.
So this is a preparation for the soup. I mean, for the noodle soup, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For noodle soup.
I'm sure it's gonna fit.
Noodle
Oh wow, that looks. Oh my
soup.
gosh.
Yes. Perfect.
Oh man, I hope it's not too cooked.
Not too cold.
Is it?
I don't know. Have to see.
Oh my god, it looks beautiful.
Here you go.
That's awesome. It looks perfect.
Yeah.
Sweet. Good job.
Thank you.
High five.